This LED turns on with just 3 volts. But what happens if we connect it to 220 volts? It normally works with very low DC voltage. Today, we'll slowly increase the voltage step by step and finally push it all the way to 220 voltage AC. Let's start with half a volt. At this voltage, almost nothing should happen. At 1 volt, very dim light. At 3 volt, normal brightness. At 5 volt, full brightness. At 10 volt, it's getting hot. A little more and it will burn. At 15 volt, oh my God, it burned. At 20 volts, it burned in a fraction of a second. At 30 volts, oh my God, it's sparking. At 50 volts, it burned and sparked almost instantly. Wow, look at those sparks. Oh my God. Do not try this at home. All right, now let's move on to AC voltage. So, as you can see, this is 220 volts AC. First, we'll test it with a resistor, and then without a resistor. Wow! There was a spark inside the LED and it turned black! Let's watch that again in slow motion. Alright, now it's time for direct 220 volts. Let's test it. 3, 2, 1... Oh my God, the LED exploded! Don't test this at home. It literally split in half.